Or should I record like that? I don't know how to record. I'm such a novice. Yeah. I don't know why, but I just now suddenly have the urge to upload stuff. I guess I like talking. Big ego boost to hear my own voice. So this kitten called Buster's just wrecking havoc on my work, just not letting me. Yeah, it's a tough day. It's an interesting day today because I got prize giving. Just gonna say goodbye to everyone at school. Although I never really spoke to many people at school that first year. Yeah, I wonder how this vlogging thing works. How it's gonna work for me is I'm just gonna talk, and none of you are gonna listen. I don't know. I always dream of like thinking of interviews like 30 years in the future. They ask, how did your fame all start? And I'm thinking, Wednesday 26th, just sitting in the garden learning about Brezhnev, cats surrounding me, and builders playing their radio, and that's how it all started. I like to think about that. Interesting. Yeah, I don't think this will be an everyday thing. I think it will probably be something I'll do for the next 3 days and stop for about a year, then come back to it. Or I'll do it during the summer, go to uni, big up Manchester, 0161, and then forget about it or lose interest. Yeah. I'll stick with it though.